Are you looking for the best over-the-range microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the best over-the-range microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SMETA over-the-range microwave, suitable for home and commercial use, such as pizza, potato, meat, reheat, popcorn, beverage, veggies, cheese, ice cream, butter and reheat. When the oven is turned on, the fan motor begins to filter the smoke and grease from cooking pizza, potatoes, meat, reheated food, popcorn, drinks, etc. Multiple defrosting methods. The stylish stainless steel appearance is suitable for all styles of kitchens. Multifunctional microwave oven, auto cook menu, used as a range hood, bottom light, 3 defrost modes, kids meals, start, add 30 sec, etc. The over-the-range oven can be used as a range hood. When it is turned on, the fan motor starts filtering out smoke, odors, and grease generated from cooking. Light is designed for the convenience of doing things outside the oven. Number 2. 30-inch over-the-range microwave, with a generous 1.6 cubic feet capacity and a 13.6-inch glass turntable. This over-the-range microwave offers ample space to cook large meals effortlessly. Its dual-zone technology allows you to simultaneously heat 2 different dishes, saving you both time and energy. Equipped with 10 power levels and a robust 1000 watts output, this microwave ensures precise cooking for a variety of foods. The advanced defrost function allows you to defrost by weight or time, making meal prep more convenient and efficient. Featuring a powerful 300 CFM 2-speed venting system, this microwave effectively removes smoke, steam, and odors from your kitchen. The strong exhaust keeps your kitchen air clean, while the stainless steel finish ensures durability and a sleek, modern look. Illuminate your cooking area with the 230 watts LED lights located beneath the microwave. These bright lights ensure accurate and safe cooking, allowing you to monitor your food without any hassle. The child lock function adds an extra layer of safety, keeping curious little hands away from the controls. Designed to fit perfectly above your range, this microwave saves valuable counter space in your kitchen. The interior is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized cooking area with this efficient over-the-range microwave.